Hello guys, and in today's video we will be coding with the random feature in Python. We will be doing two projects, a number guesser and a coin flip simulator. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're gonna be coding the number guesser first, and we're basically gonna do an import random. I think this code is pretty self-explanatory. It basically imports the random here and basically allows us to use random commands. So now we will type out a list. You gotta separate everything like so. So basically like this. So we're only gonna do 5 for demonstrational purposes, but you can of course do more. So we have the list right here, and we can basically go ahead and do random.choice and list. So this will basically bring out the random choice, and we can also put the number equals, and now we can do print. Okay, so now this will basically print out the random number. As you can see, if we run it multiple times, it will generate a random number between 1 and 5. So we're not gonna, so to make a number guesser, we will remove this print number, and we're gonna put input so guess. We're gonna put x as the variable, and I'm gonna do that strip. This will basically remove white space, which you don't want. Now we can get into the logic part, which is if x is bigger than the number, print print too high, else if x is smaller than the number, print too low, and else print correct. Okay, so I forgot to add the loop here, so we're gonna add it. So we're gonna tap this, and we're gonna go right here. I put a while true loop, so we're gonna add continue right here, and continue right here, and here we're gonna do break. So what this basically does is, this is going to be a loop, and if the x is bigger than the number, it's gonna print too high and it's gonna continue. So I guess we should also put this under that. Like right here. And this should work now. So we're gonna guess 4. Correct. I wanna just verify this works because there's no way I guessed that too high. So too high. 1. Correct. Yep, so this works. And the reason why I moved the X input right here is so it is within the loop, because if it was outside the loop, it wouldn't loop and show like more times, it would only show once. Of course you can add like more numbers, you can add like 6, 7, and you can do it like till forever, but that would take too long. So the next one we're gonna do is coin flip. So coin flip is basically a simpler version of this, and it basically also starts off with import random, and now we're gonna do faces equals heads or tails. So, and now we're gonna do face equals random dot choice out of the faces, and we will print the face. So this is a very simple code. It's 7 lines, and if we run it, tails. If we run it again, it's, but we wanna make this more efficient, so we don't have to run it and close it every time. So we're gonna also import sys, so we can exit it, and we're gonna put this in a loop right here. While true. Now there's gonna be an input. Oh, I forgot the variable. So we're gonna put x. So input equals continue n. So, and now we can also put if x equals n. Oh, I forgot these. Also, we gotta do the slashes, dot strip and dot lower. And now we need to put if x equals n, we wanna break and sys exit. However, if elif x equals y, then continue, and else else print invalid input. So this is the updated code. As you can see, while true, it will choose out of this list if it's gonna be heads or tails, then it's gonna print the value, and then this is gonna prompt us to It's gonna basically ask us if we wanna continue, and it'll save that y or n as x, and if x equals n, then it's gonna break and do a system exit. However, if it's gonna be y, then it's gonna continue, basically starting over this loop, and if it's else, then it basically just prints invalid input. Basically this will only activate if you put in an invalid input, aka if you didn't put anything in, or oh yeah, we could also put .sys exit. Maybe before that we could also put break. Yeah, so if you basically type like an S right here, it won't work. So we're gonna save it and we're gonna run the Python file. So we got heads. Now we're gonna continue. Tails, 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 heads. If we press N, it's gonna crash. Yeah, so that's basically probably all you need to know about the import random. So the most important thing right here is probably the random.choice, and this video is centered around the random.choice and basically that. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.